Hey friends. So I saw a video and it really stopped me in my tracks, and I said, you know what? I want to make a quick video in regards to this because as time is winding up, like I have a couple of more weeks before my daughter graduates. Well, graduation and prom. And I've been saying before, like, how I've been a little, emotional through it all, because ever since Mother's Day, I just been reflecting. And when I'm reflecting on just life and being the mom and all the sacrifices and the explanations and always being told, like, your mom, so, being mindful of this and mindful of that, as if like I wasn't Aisha first, like as if the woman doesn't come before the motherhood, you know what I mean? And so that title of just being a mom and motherhood has such a heavy weight to it. You know what I mean? But you don't always feel like the champion. Like I've all you know, they, when people talk about the heavyweight champs of the world and this, that, I feel like mothers are. However, you don't always feel like that champion. A lot of times you feel defeated, depleted, disgusted, and you have your highs, but you have some lows that you don't really get a chance to really talk about, because people like to sweep it under the rug, saying, oh, that's just being a mom. Oh, just pray about it. Oh, it'll be okay. And it's like, no, I want to talk about it. I want to vent about it. I want to get this off my chest without me being the angry black mom, or without me not being grateful because there's some people who can't have children. Like now all of a sudden that becomes a part of your thing too. And it's like, listen, that has nothing to do with me. I'm just simply trying to express how I feel in my journey in motherhood. So I want to say this, and for every mom out there, and I'm talking about the ones that truly picking up what I'm putting down and truly feel how I feel. Maybe you don't want to press the play button or record button and record yourself and talking about these things. I totally get it. It took me a very long time to get to this point to be able to do that. But I want to say this to you. You matter. How you feel matter. I said I was going to do a retreat, and I'm still thinking about doing it. It's just a matter of how everything plays out, but I still plan to say F them kids. For moms, we understand what that means, and you can put whatever F word you want to put there. It is totally up to you, because I had one, and I said, you know what? I'm going to leave that to everybody's imagination, to what they want to use for the F, okay? But lo and behold, that this is going to be a get together for moms to be able to release, to be able to breathe, to have fun, to just be able to be themselves. Okay, so stay tuned for that. But more importantly, I want us to gather here. Like, I'm so serious. My brand is built around motherhood and being a mom, but more importantly, being who you were called and designed to be outside of motherhood. Okay, it's like, you have aspirations. I have aspirations. I said I'm starting over at 47. I'm not ashamed of that. I'm actually excited about it. There is some things that I'm like, I wish I would have accomplished by now, but I do believe in when it's my time, it is my time. And so when you're in alignment, when you fall into alignment of what you're supposed to be doing, there's no such thing as time. Things happen the way they should, the way how they're supposed to. However, I do want to get into, and not in this video, but also getting into that feeling of feeling like we lost out on so much for caring for other people outside of ourselves. There were plenty of times where it was like I no longer existed. I was just this person, this for this person, that for that person, doing all of these different things. And it's like, no, I really had to fight my way back to myself. We should not have to fight to be who we were or who we are outside of motherhood. It should not be a fight. And so stop fighting. Just say, this is what it is. And that's it. Like when I go out, I like to enjoy myself. Sometimes I'm like really like a big kid, and that's my business. And if that's how I choose to behave and how I want to be, so be it. Let me be. When I have to handle business, I handle my business. When I want to have fun, I'm going to have fun however I want to have fun, because that's my business. Mind your business if you don't like it. Like, it's ridiculous that the explanations, we're not explaining anymore. You can explain if you want to explain something, but if you don't. That's where we at. That's where I'm at. So if you are in a space where it's like, I'm tired of all of this, and let's gather. I'm so serious. I was saying to a friend that I was like, listen, I have like a love-hate with social media, because it's like, I'm not coming on here to pretend. Okay, I'm not coming on here to pretend. However, sometimes it's a little weird pressing the record button and trying to talk, talking and just wanting to be your authentic self. But then, you don't want to be rambling. Like, all of these different things be coming up. And I'm like, but I know my people are here. And so I'm going to continue to press on to find my people until that my time is up. However, but I do feel like that we are here. So let's gather here. Let's talk about it. Help each other out, because you never know, your story can really help somebody else. Thank you to all the moms that decided to, like, go ahead and press the button and say, listen, I'm tired of this. Is anybody else going through this? Yes, yes, yes. We need that. There's a lot of times where I felt like I was alone by myself, because I'm trying to express myself to people on how I feel. And I felt like I was a bad mom for feeling this way. And honestly, people just was not willing to admit they felt the same way too. So instead, it was easier to make me look like a fool, or feel like a fool for feeling how I was feeling. But lo and behold, they were feeling it too, and just wasn't bold enough, brave enough to be able to say it. So thank you to my bold ones, my brave ones, my ones that have just an inkling of encouragement to go ahead and press that button and share, because we need it. We all need it. I wanted to say, I have not arrived at all of my destinations, but I have started to share what I've been through, and I have so much more to share, but I want to share it with the right people though. Like, I'm not here to entertain nobody. I want to encourage and inspire other moms to say, listen, I've been through it too. Or I know somebody who's been through this. Like, I know for a fact, all us collectively, we probably have an answer for everyone that wants to be a part of this. So with that being said, if that is you, connect, leave a comment, subscribe, let's talk. Let's see what we can do to bring these moms together and help each other out, because we need it. And we're tired of, like, sometimes you just can't get away. You just can't pack up and go. So the best thing you could do right now is just get on, to get online and see if you could connect with some other people out there. And that's what we're doing right here. And I just hope to see you again. Like, share. If you know somebody that needs this, share it with them. Like, come on. We got this. We could do this. So subscribe. We'll talk soon. And remember to always be bold, be you, and do what you need to do for yourself. Okay? I always say, keep it bold, keep it cute, keep it you. But in all honesty, like right now, I just want to say, do what is necessary for you to just be. Sometimes you can't do all the things. So pick one thing for right now, and then we can just build upon that. All right? But until next time, because girl, I'm like in rare form, so I need to kind of just like breathe and calm down. But let's connect. I'll see you in the next video.